Hi everyone, I am here with another video that is on creating a dictionary. So here I am going to discuss 5 different ways using which we can create a dictionary. The first one is a very simple one, like we create lists. We can create a dictionary with a pair of curly brackets. So D1 equal to empty curly bracket pair. So this will create a dictionary. From later on we can add the elements to that dictionary. So let me print that one and see what is there in D1. So as this may give errors, let me put them in comments. Now you see an empty dictionary D1 is created. So later on we can add elements to this one. How can we add elements to this one? For example, let me label this D1 as student. Then I will add one key value pair, student roll number, equal to sum 401. This is how we can add one key value pair to the dictionary. Roll number is key here and 401 is value. Now let me print this student. Yes, one key value is added to the dictionary. There is only one element in the dictionary, roll number and its value. Okay, so this is one way to create dictionary. The other way is using dict function. This is also same as our list kind of thing. To create a new list also we can use list function and empty square bracket. In the same way we are proceeding here. Now let me name this as teacher. Teacher. Then once we create this one, we can print it and see whether it is created or not. Print teacher. You see, this teacher is created. Initially there are no elements. If I would like to add some elements, I can add. So teacher of the subject she is handling equal to Python. For example, say like this. You see, subject Python. So one element is there in the dictionary. Okay, so this is another way to create. Next, the third way is creating a dictionary from a sequence. For this we can use the dictionary method from keys. From keys it takes 2 parameters and one parameter is optional. Let us see how this can be created. Let me take marks. Marks of the students and let me take roll numbers. Roll numbers as one sequence. Roll numbers are 401, 402, 403, 404 and 405. Here I am considering 5 roll numbers. Okay, I would like to create a marks dictionary. Let me call this as marks. From keys, roll number will be the key and marks should be assigned to some other value. Okay, so first I will be taking roll numbers. Roll numbers and I will not give any parameter here. Now let us see what will happen. Print marks. Run this code. You see 401 none, 402 none, 403 none, 404 none, 405 none. If you do not give anything, then the default initial value will be none. Okay, so here we can set some initial value also. For example, every student should be given some minimum of 10 marks. uh, Later on, based on his performance, some more marks may be added. Let us assume that is our criteria. Now what will happen with this? You see 401 is assigned with 10, 402 10, 403 10, 404 10, 405 10. Can we assign the marks or can we initialize to individual key? No, that cannot happen. We can initialize only for all the keys. Okay, this is a third way to create a dictionary. Now let us focus on the fourth way. Fourth way is by zipping keys and values. So keys and values are available as a list separately. Keys, for example, say keys is, let me take roll numbers, 401, 402, 403, 404 and 405. Values are like their marks, 45. For example, 401 will get 45, 402 56, 403 34, 404 67, 405 90. Okay, so these are the values. From these values, I am going to create one dictionary. So let me call this dictionary as scores. Why? Because marks I have already used. Let me call this as scores. Now these two will be zipped. I think you know the meaning of this zip function. It will associate the elements in the corresponding positions. For example, 401 will be associated with 45, 402 will be associated with 56, 403 with 34, likewise. You may get a doubt, what if keys or values contain unequal number of elements? In that case, the extra elements will be simply ignored. It will not even raise the error, they will be ignored. Only the elements in the corresponding positions will be associated. That is the meaning of this zip function. Now, let us print this one and see. Okay. You see, 401 is associated with 45, 402 56, 403 34 and so on. So this is quite commonly used in data science applications. Keys will be available as a separate list, values will be available as a separate list. We can associate all of them together. Okay, so this is one way to create a dictionary. Next, let me just consider the last approach, that is using dictionary comprehension. What is this called? Dictionary comprehension. Like list comprehension, we can do set comprehension, dictionary comprehension. Okay, dictionary comprehension. So according to this dictionary comprehension, when keys and values are already available in a sequence, we can take keys and values separately from these lists and we can construct a dictionary. So let me consider this as scores 1. Scores 1, I am going to create a new dictionary, scores 1, with keys and values that are already mentioned here. Okay, I am just naming this variable as scores 1. Now let us print this scores 1 and see. We must get 401, 45, 402, 56, etc. The same elements are to be put in new dictionary scores 1 and that is to be displayed. You see, we got the same. Okay, so the last approach is called dictionary comprehension. So these are 5 different ways using which we can create a dictionary. So what is the first approach? Creating a dictionary using empty curly bracket pair. Then creating a dictionary using dict function, that is second approach. Then creating a dictionary using from keys method, that is third approach. Okay, then creating a dictionary by dict function and zipping keys and values lists. Then the last approach is dictionary comprehension. Okay, I hope you understood this content. If you have liked the video, like it, share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.